Can anything move faster than the speed of light? By Samuel Tholen. Why I chose this topic. I chose this topic because I think light is fascinating. I wanted to see how much we knew about it, and I had been reading about Einstein's theory of relativity and thought I could dig deeper into it. Also, I wanted to see if time travel would be something that could happen in the future. And with time travel, if something very bad happens again, we would be able to go back in time. But there would be consequences. What will be discussed? What is light? The speed of light, Einstein's theories of relativity, and if something can move faster than light. What is light? Light is a stream of photons that travels in a straight line. It is a form of electromagnetic energy and travels in a wave. Photons are massless and don't need matter or material to carry its energy along, which allows it to travel through a vacuum, which is a place where there is very little matter and no atmosphere. Unlike sound, which needs to travel through a solid, liquid, or gas. The speed of light. Light moves at 299,792 kilometers per second. Ole Rømer was the first to successfully calculate the speed of light at 214,000 kilometers per second by observing the eclipses of Jupiter's moon from 1668 to 1674. But currently, they have retroreflectors on the moon, and they are able to shoot a laser beam at it and reflects in a straight path back, which we can use to determine the speed of light by using the amount of time it takes to get there and back, and the distance from the moon to Earth. The speed of light continued. According to Einstein, the speed of light is the cosmic speed barrier. But some researchers believe that speed could be broken. And according to the theory of special relativity, if you do break the speed of light, you would be able to travel back in time. Einstein's theory of special relativity. Einstein's theory states that the speed of light in a vacuum is the same for all observers, regardless of the motion of the light source. This means in a vacuum, the speed of light is not affected if its source is moving. For example, if you're on a train going 70 miles per hour and you jump 3 feet off the front, to you, you look like you only went 3 feet, but someone looking at you from the side of the tracks saw you move as fast as the train was moving, plus those 3 feet. But if you shine a flashlight, the light will move at the same speed for you and the person watching you, despite that the train is moving. Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein's theory of relativity states that as an object moves faster, its mass increases, which would require an infinite amount of energy. But photons are massless, so it would not gain any because there is no original mass and therefore not needing energy to move. And if it does use energy, the energy would come from its source, say a star or electricity. Can anything move faster than light? Possibly, but it has not yet been proven. But there are things that could be considered as moving faster than light, including quantum entanglement, Cherenkov radiation, the expansion of the universe, and theoretical things like a light-year-long pair of scissors. Quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is the way subatomic particles communicate with each other. If you take two subatomic particles and put them next to each other, they will connect, essentially, with each other. Not literally, though. And if you move one, the other will almost instantaneously react. Now spread them a light year apart and move one, and the other will react almost immediately. So the signal is moving 1 light year in a second, which it would take light 1 year to travel. So in theory, the signal is moving faster than the speed of light. The universe's expansion. The universe is expanding at 68 to 74 kilometers per second per megaparsec. A megaparsec is 1 million parsec. A parsec is 3.26 million light years. If a galaxy is 1 megaparsec away, it will appear to move away at 68 kilometers per second. If you look at a galaxy 2 megaparsecs away, it will appear to move away at 136 kilometers per second, and so on. If you are far enough away, in time the universe will appear to expand faster than light. The universe is like bread and the galaxies are raisins. As the universe expands, the galaxies get spread apart. Cherenkov radiation. Cherenkov radiation is an electromagnetic radiation emitted when a charged particle passes through a dielectric which is a variable conductor of electricity, medium, at a faster rate than the phase velocity of light in that medium. It has been proven that it moves faster than light in water, but not yet anywhere else. Phase velocity is the rate at which the phase of the wave moves in space. A phase is the position of a point in time on a waveform cycle. Other theoretical things. A light-year-long pair of scissors cross in 1 second. So the point of the blade intersecting moves faster than light. If you have a very high-powered light and you shine it on a large enough surface, and move your finger across to make a shadow, the shadow could move faster. Darkness can move as fast as light because it immediately replaces light. Conclusion. We have not yet found something that can break the speed of light, but if so, it would change the world. Also, light is very important. It helps us determine the amount of energy something contains using E equals mc squared, and it helps us measure very far distances. If you're able to break the speed of light, what would you do?
That's all, folks.